So guys, if you are wanting to have wireless Apple CarPlay in your vehicle and also be able to watch YouTube on your screen, this thing is awesome. So it just plugs in right here. It has a USB-C port right here, and it comes with two different types of cables. So it either has standard USB or USB-C, depending on what your vehicle has. And then we actually have HDMI or a mini HDMI port there, which is pretty cool, as well as a USB port. Now, why this USB port is super cool is you can actually, because I only have one plug here, just plug your charger right into here. You still have the wireless CarPlay, and you can still charge your phone, which is awesome. So that's really thought out. But there is so much you can do. There's a little bit of glare here with this device. So first of all, if you just want to have regular CarPlay, you can see we got CarPlay and Android Auto. We can click that there, and this is going to take us right into the standard CarPlay here. Now, if we want to go back here, we're just going to click the car icon right here. It's going to take us right into the kind of main menu of this. And this is really just an Android operating system. You've got your music, video files, but check this out. We've got Netflix as well as YouTube. And so this is YouTube on your infotainment screen. It takes just a minute to load here. And this is actually connected to my phone's hotspot, but it works very well. And you can just watch YouTube as you're driving. So do with that what you will. But this is so cool to just have this on your infotainment screen. Now, this also does have screen mirroring. So if you had, say, a home video or something on your phone, you just wanted to put that up on the screen, you can do that as well, and it will play it. It works very well. So this is a fantastic way to have not only the regular CarPlay like you would expect in your car, makes it wireless, which is not something that I had previously, but to also have Netflix, Disney Plus, and YouTube right on your infotainment screen, and you can just watch that as you're driving, although maybe you should listen to it and just drive. So this is super easy to set up, and it allows you to just put your phone down in your cubby, your cup holder, wherever you keep it, and actually have media playing on the device there in the middle on that screen. So hopefully this is helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and enjoy the rest of your day.